Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the object or group that will receive transparency. Once selected, open the Transparency tool, use the toolbox or Shift plus F11 to see live handles. Start with a linear or radial preset so you can observe preview changes. This gives context for adjustments. Then click and drag across the object to draw the transparency vector and make sure to toggle the preview. Doing this lets you judge blend intensity before committing. You now have a visible transparency vector, ready for refinement and masking. Once the vector is placed, refine the transition by adding or moving color stops on the transparency slider. Click to add, drag to reposition, and enter exact opacity percentages for precision. Then change the blend mode to achieve the intended effect. For darker blends, choose Multiply. For lighter, choose Screen. Also adjust the feathering and midpoint to control softness. These values alter how quickly transparency changes across the object. Make iterative tweaks and watch the real-time preview, because subtle changes dramatically affect final appearance. To finalize, apply the transparency and inspect in context. Zoom out and view with other objects or background colors so you can confirm visual intent. If exporting to non-vector formats, consider converting to bitmap at target resolution to preserve appearance. Once done, make sure to save a layered copy for future edits. If the transparency looks incorrect, reset the Transparency tool, verify node stacking order, and check object fills. Sometimes ordering or stray nodes cause unexpected blends, so resolve those and reapply.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.